What's up guys, Lord Hazen here, back with another video, and this is the unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy M11. This is another one of Samsung's latest budget-oriented smartphones, and it does have a lot of similarities to the Galaxy A11 that I reviewed on the channel. Link to that right under that like button if you'd like to see it. That said, there are some differences, which we'll get into in a sec, and quick disclaimer, I'll be comparing it to the Galaxy A11 from time to time in this video. The Galaxy M11 comes in 3 colors, black, purple and blue. It'll set you back $160, and you can pick this phone up from today's video sponsor, Joe's Gadget Garage. Check out Joe's Gadget Garage for all your tech needs at affordable prices, and find out more from the link in the description. In the box is some paperwork, no free silicone case to get you going, the phone itself boasting an octa-core processor, Infinity O display and 5000 mAh battery, a 15-watt fast charging power brick, a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable, some headphones and a SIM ejector tool. The Galaxy M11 is a thick phone. Thick because of that 5000 mAh battery, meaning it's quite a hefty phone to hold. The black one I have here has a plastic frame and a matte finish back that enhances grip and does a good job at hiding fingerprints compared to the glossy finish on the Galaxy A11. It has a flat camera module, so it doesn't wobble on surfaces, say when you're using it on a desk, compared to the Galaxy A11. You get the power and volume buttons on the right, the speaker grill, USB Type-C charging port, the microphone at the bottom, the SIM and SD card tray on the left side of the phone, and the headphone jack up top. Design-wise, the Galaxy A11 and the M11 are pretty similar. Camera module, button arrangement, speaker, headphone, and fingerprint location are all the same, down to the punch-out selfie camera location. The fingerprint scanner on the M11 is okay, and it's in a comfortable, reachable position, and works well every time with minimum issues. At this price point, you can't expect a high refresh rate display with high resolution and pixel density. That's not to say that this is a terribly incapable screen. You do get vivid colors on any content you're consuming on the phone, be it watching video, web browsing, playing games, or just casual swiping around the phone menus. Not the crispy punchy colors and contrast you get from Samsung phones with a Super AMOLED display, but it's sufficient for everyday use. The location of the selfie cutout is also very convenient, and a couple of videos in, you forget it's actually there. Speaking of content, you get a single bottom firing speaker that's easy to block depending on how you're holding the phone. Comparing it to the A11, the Galaxy M11 has better viewing angles and a much better speaker setup. All in all, can we just give props to how the edge mapping on both phones is accurate and impressive. There's no phone. These are some very clean, nice, detailed portrait shots. If you focus your attention to her hair. Looking at the phone's internals, the Samsung Galaxy M11 packs the Snapdragon 450 processor paired with Adreno 506 GPU with 3 or 4 gigs of RAM. And just like Samsung's 2020 phones, this device also ships with Android 10 straight out the box, which is great. Again, this is a budget device, so you won't be pushing the boundaries on performance by any means. However, I feel like Samsung would have done better to improve the Galaxy M11's performance, and I'll get to why in just a sec. One big advantage this phone has is the battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery powering a budget-friendly display and specs, this is a device that can potentially last up to 2 days on a single charge, considering any type of usage. Here, you have enough phone for casual gaming, web browsing, content consumption, and just enjoying the simple apps you can put on this phone to do a little bit of everything with. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, a sub to the channel will be ecstatic. Moving on to the cameras. To put it plainly, this camera isn't trash. Though, I will definitely not advise you to spend your hard-earned money on this phone for its camera. The viewfinder doesn't inspire enough confidence to take the shot. Objects appear over-sharpened, and focus on portrait mode can be a hit or miss. When you get the camera to work your way and let the phone process the image, you can get some good palatable shots from the phone. I'm a fan of the ultra-wide shooter because it fits much more into perspective, though edge mapping in portrait shots could definitely use some work. Now, I know you've been waiting for me to justify the title of this video. Firstly, to reiterate, I settled to review the Galaxy M11, and in the process, I realized it's the exact same phone like the Galaxy A11 that I was using earlier, save for a few very minor things that the average user wouldn't notice. Here is the Galaxy M11. Take away the similarities it shares with the Galaxy A11. That's the display, the body build, internal specs like the chipset, GPU, RAM, and storage options, and what you're left with is a 5000 mAh battery, and that's just about it. That's the only difference. Now, are there people out there that buy a phone only for its battery? Yes, there are. Did those people need to pay extra for that extra 1000 mAh battery capacity? I don't think so, really. Such a person can buy the Galaxy A11, save some cash, get by with the 4000 mAh battery, and fast charge it with the same 15-watt fast charger you get with the Galaxy M11. Let's look at it from the M lineup of phones perspective. Put the Galaxy M11 side by side with the Galaxy M21, and you get the urge to add a few extra bucks and get a much better feature set like the Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, a better chipset, more storage and RAM options, and a better camera setup. That's still reaching? Okay, let's look at the options from Samsung's competitors like Realme and Redmi in the budget segment. While the latter are opting to use better, more efficient and powerful MediaTek processors, Samsung are stuck with a 2-year-old outdated chipset and coupled it with a measly 3 gigs of RAM. Put the $160 Galaxy M11 against the $140 Redmi Note 8 offering from Xiaomi, and it's clear that Samsung underspec the Galaxy M11. That said, if you ask me, skip the Galaxy M11, save some cash and get the Galaxy A11, or add some cash and get the Galaxy M21. Massive thanks to Joe's Gadget Garage for making this video possible. Make sure to click the link in the description for your next purchase at Joe's. Like and share this video, it helps the channel a lot. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet and turn on notifications. My name is Hezion. This is Lord Hezion. See you in the next one. Peace.